Okay, I just came out of the YMCA, hit the remote start button, it did not start, and my remote is non-functional in terms of the lock, the door, and I had to unlock it with the remote key, which was able to unlock, but when I hit the remote start button, this is what happens. It's trying to start, but it doesn't turn over. It's the third time it's happening. Well, fourth time. Not sure what the deal is. I'm gonna try it with the push button. Oh, it did not even hit the remote start, and it attempted to turn over itself without me having touched anything. And I believe it may try it again without me touching anything on the remote.
Exercising.
I'm pretty sure I heard it earlier that it attempted it 3 times.
You guys want some water? I don't have goldfish right now.
Okay, maybe not. I'm gonna go in and try the push start.
Daddy, gotta get that strap. Daddy, look at Daddy, look at Daddy.
Put on the brake. Nothing. Just beeping, light flashing, and nothing going on. No lights. Still flashing. Not certain what that means. I'm gonna press it once without the brake. Same thing, just beeping. Put the key up to it, see if it does anything. Huh. The key up to it, and it stopped flashing. Let's try now. There we go. Weird.